Welcome everyone back to the tutorial. This is step 2. We're going to be talking about the dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Just make sure your website is in place. Your directory where you've placed your blog, and put in wp-login.php. Okay, and then afterwards put in your username and your password. Hopefully you copied those down and place them somewhere safe where you can reach them. Afterwards, press login. All right, here's the dashboard area. Okay, we just logged in, and you have different links here to link to different areas that manages your blog. Okay, this is where you manage your blog. Okay, so you have your Jetpack here, which is automatically installed onto your blog. This is something here. Let me see. You have your updates area here. You have your post link here where you can add new articles, categories, tags, media, where you can add new videos that you create with your iPhone or your camcorder and upload them to your blog. You can also add images as well. Okay, this is where you create new pages for your blog. Let me open up my site here just to show you a few things here. Okay, now here's your appearance link where you can change the appearance of your blog. If you want to change the skins, the look of your blog, you can do that. So for instance, here's your blog right here. All right, if you want to change the appearance, like I said, if you want to change the theme, okay, that is just the overall look of how it looks, your blog looks. You see how the scheme looks. You could change all of this just the way it looks. Okay, that is what that is for. Themes, that is what themes are for. Okay, that's the design of it. All right, and you can customize it through code, widgets. Here's the widgets right here, the widgets area, as far as the sidebar here with the extra content, the search bar, the recent posts, recent comments, archives. All of this stuff right here is controlled through the widgets area. And the let me see here, you have the menus. You can change what you want on your menus or on your let me see right here. Let me show you really quick. This is the menu area. In it right here, you will have the the home, about page, all that good stuff would be in the menu area, somewhere in this area. This is where your top important pages, where you would want people to see before they continue on your blog, reading your blog. Okay, and you have your header, the editor area where you change the footer and all that good stuff, which we will be getting to. We'll be getting into all of these things in the future. Okay, here's your plugins where you can add new plugins. That is the functionality of your blog, such as the star system, your rating system. There's the tools, different things right here. The settings is most important to me. The general right here. I'm gonna click on this right here where it says general. This is the general settings. Okay, so for instance, I have web hosting throne blog. That's the site title. So that's the overall site title. The tagline, I'm gonna show you right here. This is the site title, and this is the tagline right here, where it says just another WordPress site. You can change that. Here it goes right here, and keep these as they are. Let's scroll down. Yeah, everything else I really don't touch. I don't touch anything else. Here's the Bluehost coming soon page. You can turn this off if you would like, or keep it on until you've completed the your website. And it's keep it on, and after you complete it, then go to your where it says Bluehost right here, press home and launch, press the launch key. Other than that, you can turn this page off and just don't deal with the coming soon page at all, but it is your choice. Okay, so these are pretty much the settings for your blog. You can also update your password by hovering over the link on the right top corner. Just go to edit my profile, and here's the scheme, the color schemes. You can change the color schemes of your dashboard if you would like. I'll just keep it to the default. I really don't bother that too much. Okay, so let's scroll all the way down here, and this is how you change your password. Just press generate password. You can change it. You can type in your own password, but just remember, again, just copy it and paste it somewhere you can remember. I'm going to show you that it does work. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here. I'm going to update profile. Okay. I'm going to put my username here. So when I update password, it's going to show up. So I'm going to show you that this does work. So I'm going to go ahead and log out of this blog. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and have that WP log in. As you see, my username right here, and here is the password right here that I just changed. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. The computer remembers it. Just like I said before, place your password and your username somewhere where you can find it. Okay, that is very important. All right, so let's see here. As you can see, I logged in, so the password works. All right. Okay, so let's get into a few things. Like for instance, the widgets. This is the widgets area, just like I told you before. This right here controls the widgets. The content on the sidebar here, the right sidebar, is the widgets area. Now you can keep your widgets, or you can release them, or you can add more widgets. You can take your time and figure out which one of what these are. For instance, it says gallery, displays an image gallery, categories, audio, all these good things here in the widgets area. Now you can keep your widgets, or you can remove them. Now you can keep them, or you can remove them. All you have to do is just double click on your widget, hold it, and just remove it. You can remove all the widgets that you don't want, add widgets that you do want, or remove them all or keep them all. It doesn't matter. It is your blog, so you can do what you want to do with it. Okay, so let's take a look at how it looks now. I've just removed all my widgets, and here it goes right here. I just removed all my widgets. Now it gives me more space. Okay, now I have more space. All right. And as you see, all of them are empty. We have inactive. We have no widget. We have no items placed in our widgets area. That is how you use the widgets. That is how you use them, drag them off, or keep them on, add them, or those good things. You can also add. You have custom HTML if you have HTML that you would like to display in your widgets area, code that you would like to render. All of these good things you can check out in time. Okay, so you have your menus area where you can add, when you have pages, when you create pages, you can add menus, or if you have paid posts that you've created, you can add menus, add those. You can customize pages and place them here. And once you create the pages, you can have them up here in this area, somewhere in this area. All right. And then you have your settings, your permalinks, all these things. Just like I said, we're going to talk about later. This is just an introduction on what to expect, how to navigate your dashboard. You navigate your dashboard in different areas, different ways. And you know, your posts, here's all posts right here where you can create posts and edit them. You can edit, quick edit, trash them, view them, different posts. So for instance, I want to check this post out right here. Go to view, and here we go. This is my post. This is a automatic generated post through WordPress installation. So this is the famous hello world. You have a comment by the commenter. You can remove comments, you can keep comments, you can for every article that you create, you can either keep have the comment box open for comments, or you can close the comment area. So for instance, here's the comment box right here. Here's leave a reply. You can remove this box if you wanted to. You can remove it so no one comments on your articles or article that you create. For instance, let's edit this right here. Let's go to edit. We're going to edit this post, and for instance, if you don't want comments for this post, all you have to do is go to screenshots and go to discussion and scroll all the way down where it says allow comments, and just uncheck that. Okay, after you've unchecked it, press update, and it's view, go to view post, or you can actually click on the link here, and you will notice that the comment box is removed, but the comment is still here where it says comments are closed. We just closed comments, but this comment is here because it was already made. The comment was already made. So in order to get rid of comments that you don't want, or you know, just erase the comment, you can edit it, and you can say, hey, I don't want the comments, so I'm gonna move it to trash, and boom, there you go. It's right there. The comment is moved, and that's what it is. So you can edit posts, continue editing your posts. You can trash your posts. Here where it's post right here. You can trash your posts, move it to trash. Okay. Here's the formats you can use for your posts: video, quotes, links. You can add a category if you want to, or keep it uncategorized. Add tags if you would like, that's related to your posts. Okay. You can add content to your posts. You can add different elements to your posts. All you have to do is highlight over a element, and if you want to bold it, and bold it. If you want to, let me see here, italicize it, you can italicize it. You can place it in bullet points. You can add quotes to it. For instance, you can highlight it and add quotation marks to it. Let me see. And of course, that's, you can actually just add quotations if you're trying to explain something or quote something. Let me see. You can add it. You can reposition it to the center, or to the left or right, just the right and the left. You can link your post if you want to link out to another source or another page in on your website. You can also add paragraph. You can keep it as a paragraph or a header. Header 1, header 2, header 3. As you can see right here how it changes. You can change the header if you wanted the header 2. And this is right here is already set up right here on the top, where you can have your, this is your title. You can change that. Here's header 2 or header 3, or whichever one you would like. Okay, just make sure it's highlighted before you change it, or it's already changed before the element is already changed before you before you begin typing. Okay, here's with toggle bar right here where it shows more elements. Here you can change the color of your content if you want it to be a burgundy color or a blue color, whichever color that you would like. As you can see, it changes. You can actually change it to black because this is actually a kind of grayish color that's by default of WordPress. Okay, so you can change the color. You have different you have special characters you can add here. You know, these little small special characters, you can add them to your content. So you have several things that you can do. You can indent your posts. If you want to indent your posts, you can increase or decrease. Let's increase. As you can see, it moves. You also can, after you've finished it, you're done, you're complete with it, you can press the publish button and actually have a publish button, or you can save it for later to complete. Okay. Also, you see your link structure here of your post. Like for instance, you see hello world here and you see hello world here, but you see in between your website name and your post name, you have this date thing right here. This is very old school. Most people don't like to have this here. They rather just have the keywords placed here. So, and you can edit this if you wanted to. You can edit it. It doesn't have to be the title in the link right here for link structure. And to change this, to make it just to have what you can control in this area rather than the date link, what you do is you go to appearance and click on, and first we're just going to go ahead and update this really quick so it doesn't have a message here. And what you do is you scroll down to where it says settings, go to permalinks, and what you do is you click on where it says custom structure, where it says post name, okay? And this is, you don't want the date link on it, you want the regular title link. So click on post name, click on custom structure. This is the permalinks, okay? This is how you change the permalink. Go to settings, permalinks, post name, custom structure, and press save changes. And this is what happens. Let's take a look at it now. Go to posts, go to all posts. We're going to check out our posts now. We're going to go to edit right here. And you will notice that something's changed. As you can see, it's shortened. The date is removed. And now you have a cleaner version of your link. Okay. And that concludes this particular tutorial, step 2. So get acquainted with your dashboard, learn the settings, and we're going to go in deeper depth. Just like I said, we're going to go in deeper depth about the dashboard, the settings on the dashboard. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.